Cascade's multiple load handlers, like this single-double, offer adjustable fork sets, allowing you to handle a single pallet or instantly adjust to handle 2 pallets at once, doubling your productivity. Other models can carry up to 6 loads at a time. This single-double is equipped with our latest development, Cascade RapidSync, a hydraulic option offering maximum speed and perfect fork synchronization. Cascade RapidSync realizes the full potential of single-double pallet handlers, increasing the speed of fork positioning and allowing you to move more loads faster for maximum productivity. RapidSync offers ultra-fast fork speeds. Open and close cycle times are up to 35% faster than a competitive model and 20% faster than our standard Cascade models. Patented RapidSync technology also ensures the forks move perfectly in sync for that extra level of precision. This eliminates the needs for operators to reset forks, saving energy and increasing efficiency. Everything else about these attachments is built to deliver high performance. Visibility through the frame is excellent. The durable, full-length bearings are guaranteed to last 10,000 hours, a warranty that's unmatched in the industry. The bolt-on forks are interchangeable, which reduces service costs. If you're in the warehousing, food and beverage industry, or any application that could benefit from having the option to handle 1, 2, or more loads at once, then Cascade RapidSync is your perfect solution.